Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique piece of men's apparel that's been making waves: the Sepratec men's boxer briefs with ball pouch. If you're on the hunt for the best in comfort and support, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes these boxer briefs stand out from the rest. Constructed from 95% rayon made from bamboo and 5% spandex, these boxer briefs are not just your average underwear. They're designed with a dual pouch system that's revolutionizing men's underwear comfort. The Sepretech design includes an independent front pouch that provides ample room and support for your most sensitive parts, ensuring no uncomfortable squeezing. Meanwhile, the lower pouch is engineered to cradle and support your boys in a way that traditional underwear just can't match. One of the standout features here is the breathability factor. Thanks to the rayon made from bamboo, these boxer briefs are super soft, lightweight, and incredibly breathable. You'll feel like you're wearing nothing at all, which is a game changer in terms of everyday comfort. Now, I know what you might be thinking: does the dual pouch system really work? Well, let me tell you from personal experience and user feedback, once you get used to the unique design, you won't want to go back. It takes a moment to adjust, but the comfort and support these boxer briefs provide are unmatched. Let me show you up close. The fabric feels incredibly smooth to the touch, and the stitching is top-notch, ensuring durability wash after wash. And here's how the dual pouches function now. How do these stack up against other similar products on the market? Well, the Sepratec men's boxer briefs consistently receive high praise for their innovative design and comfort level. They're not just underwear, they're a lifestyle upgrade. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions. Yes, they're machine washable, just remember to use a gentle cycle. And no, you won't feel constricted in the front pouch. In fact, it's designed for freedom of movement. So, there you have it, the Sepratec men's boxer briefs with ball pouch. If you're ready to elevate your underwear game to the next level, check out the link in the description below. Trust me, once you try these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.